All right, so long awaited day. All of you guys in the comments, all the emails, all of that. You can stop cussing me out now, okay? It's about to get done. Let's go. Yep. The wait is over. It's all here. It's all here. Road Warrior 3.0 about to light off now. Let's see what we got here. Alright guys, so one day I will do a full video and explain everything. I still can't do that, but the car is now getting done. So we're about to unbox my brand new RideTech SLA front suspension. Let's check this stuff out. Alright, so when you order the RideTech SLA kit, this is what you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. So let's start with box number 1. Oh, new parts. Gotta love new parts. Alright, of course, detailed instructions on everything. And there's a lot. Literally everything. So, box number 1. Open it up. There we go. Alright, so got A-arms. These are going to be your lowers. Oh, that's not. No, excuse me. These are going to be your uppers. Billet. It's beautiful. Your left and your right side. Okay, the lowers. Lower control arms there. And of course, all your hardware. And then we've got another lower control arm. Alright, so that's going to be all for that. Alright, box number 2. Just like Christmas. More instructions. So we got some hardware here. Very, very nice. Control arm brackets. Everything's really nicely powder coated, which I love. Very nice. And these are going to be your frame brackets. Obviously, guys, we're going to install this, so you'll be able to see how everything goes together. But frame rail there. Your other side, like I said, very nicely coated and beautiful. you got your bearings. Very nice. And these are moves, which is what you want. This is all in that box. These are going to be our spindle assemblies. No instructions. Yep. So this is going to be your spindle. Oh yeah, she's beefy. And again, all powder coated. Very nice. Hardware. And our other spindle assembly. Yeah, I know what these are. Oh, they're beautiful. Fully adjustable coilovers. Very, very nice. And get your springs. Very nice. Like coils. Little instructions. And then you got your caliper brackets, which let me go ahead and pull these out. So you can do two different styles with these. You can run either the S550 brakes, or you can run like the 94 to 04 Cobra brakes. I'm just going to run the Cobra brakes because they're more than adequate. But if you really want to be a baller and run S550 brakes, you can. But these are going to be your 94 to 04 Cobra brakes. And of course, you got your hardware. More hardware. Seals. Good to go. There she is, all laid out. Super excited to get to work. So there's a couple different options you can do with this kit. One, like I said earlier, you can run S550 brakes, or you can run the SN95. Again, I'm going with the SN95 brakes, the Cobra brakes, they're plenty. So there's your brackets there. You can also customize this with either their standard coilovers, which is what I got here, which, as you guys know, Fox and Ride Tech are the same company. But they also have them, see, these are adjustable, multi-way adjustable, or you can do their premium coilovers, which has the external reservoir if you're going to be doing a lot of racing, whatever, or you can do their air ride kit with it. So you got a lot of different options there. All right, so the other option you can choose to go with either a stock K-member. You can run it with the stock K-member, or you can run it with aftermarket K-member. Obviously, we're going aftermarket K-member because my car is a swap. I got the brand new UPR chromoly K-member. Super excited to get this all together. But we've run basically the UPR on the last 3 swaps. It's a top quality part. It fits great and works perfect with the Speed Engineering headers. If you guys caught the video where we did the K-member and header comparison video, which is vital in a swap, the UPR just makes sense with the Speed Engineering headers for fit, for quality, and for your budget. You cannot beat it. Going UPR all the way. All right, guys, so let's talk about SLA for just a second. SLA is not a new concept. A lot of vehicles come from the factory with it, but it's a pretty new concept to a Fox body, as far as, you know, doing away with your McPherson style strut, or, you know, your coilover, your aftermarket coilover kit. But if you look at the video I did, like, God bless, it's been 2.5, almost 3 years ago on this kit, the first thing I thought of was what's done to this car. And that's get rid of the shock towers. So I knew with as much work as we were putting into the car, I wanted to do something different. And okay, I get it. I know it's been sort of done before, but getting rid of the shock towers is a game changer. I mean, look at the massive, and you're about to see the massive amount of room with the engine and all of that in the car. It's groundbreaking. It's like, you know, how much more space do you have now without those shock towers there? It's absolutely amazing. Been a long time coming, guys. You're about to see now what this looks like. Fully finished, shock towers gone, all smoothed out. Again, shout out to Adam. All these panels are custom made. Every bit of it. I believe he said he had close to 100 hours doing this engine bay. And you can tell. About time. So guys, on the channel, I try to do a lot of different things, show a lot of different things, show you what's possible, give you ideas, you know, and just show other people's creativity and ingenuity, and how, you know, two different people can have two different approaches to the same thing. That's one of the goals on this channel. That's why we do so many swaps. You know, that's why we try to push the envelope and just show you cool stuff. I mean, pretty much everything's been done on a Fox body, so having a first is next to impossible. But doing this, in my opinion, just push the envelope. Again, showed you what's possible. This Ride Tech suspension shows you what's possible, and we're about to do it right here on the channel. We're gonna show you how to install this stuff, show you how simple it goes together. It's gonna be epic, and I'm pumped. It's finally happening. No more waiting. So there you go, boys. The Ride Tech SLA kit in all its glory. Couple other cool notes about it. Installation is not bad, and like I said, you're gonna see it on the channel. The cool thing about the kit, all your hardware is labeled, and then like all your parts, passenger. You get your P for passenger and your D for driver on all of them. Everything's extremely nicely powder coated. Nice finish, ready to go in. Again, all your hardware. I mean, this is a very well engineered kit, and I cannot wait to get this thing on the car and test it out. All right, so you guys can quit cussing me now, quit asking, quit busting my balls. Road Warrior 3.0 is about to light off. Like I said, no one wanted it more than me. I do have more coming, okay? Like, if you guys caught the video when I said I was changing things up a little bit, I'm not gonna tell you till it shows up, but when I say the wait is worth it, it's worth it. So, guys, huge shout out to Ride Tech for making an absolutely amazing kit and allowing us one more option to push the envelope on what's possible with these cars. Look, doing the old school builds is cool. The retro stuff is cool. And we've done that, we're doing that, on and on and on. But the other spectrum is cool too. There's a lot of guys that want us to push the envelope, so we're covering that too, and that's what I'm doing on this car. We did the old school retro on Pop's car. We're going to the far, far other end with my car. So guys, I hope you appreciate the variety and the effort that goes into the channel. I assure you, I work 7 days a week, been doing it for a very long time, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I want to shout out all of you guys that watch the channel, support what we do. We're true enthusiasts. We love this. We've been doing this a long time, and it's my honor to push the envelope, take it to the next level, and that's what we're doing. So if you did enjoy this, please drop me a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, because it's about to get hot up in here. We'll catch you guys on the next one.